Grábalo ahí para que me pase el video.
Dale, my friend, tú sí puedes. Yes, you got it.
Al mal tiempo, buena cara. Al mal tiempo, ¡eh! Al mal tiempo, buena cara.
Ay, Dios, te está fundido.
Nosotros nos alegramos de nuestra
Seguro
propia
no
desgracia.
tiene agua donde bañarse y está aprovechando.
No, este sí tiene. Este ya adelante, cuando vine adelante, con los más.
Sí.
No ha subido más.
Ese sí creo que se metió porque allí se mira que está el agua abajo de la puerta esa, de la casita esa que tiene.
Okay, everybody, there's a lot of water in my house, so I want you to start praying to Drake. He is the sixth god, okay? Tell the sixth god to come save me, okay? Drizzy! Drizzy, if you can help me, please help me. Okay, I'm in Southwest Houston. Okay, I'm one of the realest to ever do it. Okay, just save me, please. Look at this one. Okay? I don't need this right now. I'm way too bougie for it, okay?
Keep going. Oh, come on, chicken. Pussy.
Okay, so it's 11:50 p.m. and we have water through the main hall. You can still see that the water is seeping in from outside. It's going into our informal living area. Turn this off. Back. It's in the dining room. Coming in from this door over here as well.
I just dropped my daughter off at Chick-fil-A. She's a manager here. One of the managers. They're opening up. They're going to make sandwiches. They're going to give them out to the M.O. Campbell Center. I guess they got people there that are stranded. So I went ahead and brought her. It is flooded, but that shows the commitment of the employee of Chick-fil-A to help out the community, which is a great thing. So I made the effort. I picked a couple of employees up, and one of her co-workers also drove up here. So they will be making sandwiches for the M.O. Campbell Center. They're gonna have the M.O. Campbell Center, one of their trucks, one of their big trucks, come pick up the food when it's ready. But don't come down Little York because it's flooded all the way unless you got a big truck.
Well, it's 7:57 a.m. in the morning, and this is Norchester. Hey. Yeah, as good as we can get. And we are a lake. This is the first time that this has happened to me, and I know that this is the first time this has happened in this neighborhood.
At least we're by HEB.
HEB is open. Everyone and their mama is here.
Yeah, we have a chance to get early.
Oh, there's a parking spot there.
Yeah, they're few. They're just way in the back. Look, take this guy.
In the very back.
Who's this shit? Look, that truck.
There's gonna be one.
He's leaving. He's probably the closest you're gonna get. Right there.
45, the North Freeway at Cypresswood, almost completely underneath water. They are getting through on the outbound side, but single file, and it won't last for long. That's completely flooded out. We're underwater anywhere inside the 610 loop. You're going to be underwater. You won't be able to use most of those roadways. Now, if you're trying to travel I-10 to Katy Freeway, between the loop and on out, most of it's okay, but we do have that situation on the Katy Freeway where we had some high water. I'm going to have to check on that again. 69, I was checking on that. The North Loop is underwater, and at Kelly, it's underwater. At McGowan, it's underwater, and at the West Loop, and also along 69, it's closed between 2759 and 529, but you can use 90 through the Richmond and Rosenberg area if you're trying to get through there. Also, if you're trying to travel I-10, the Katy Freeway between Taylor and 45, basically everything inside the 610 loop is going to be closed, folks. I'm Julie Hardy in the GulfCoastWindows.com 24-hour traffic center.
This is Allen Parkway on the Buffalo Bayou.
Nobody will believe it unless you take pictures.
So, first boat coming through, hadn't seen that yet. And next door just notified that there are supposed to be emergency rescue boats coming through. I need to find some place that'll take 3 little dogs and 2 big dogs. So, I am in Cypresswood. I'm off of Cypresswood and Ballcrest. And it's just continued to rain since this morning. It's not getting any better. And that's my front door.
Sí. Ese sí creo que se metió porque allí se mira que está el agua abajo de la puerta esa, de la casita esa que tiene.
5:30 in the morning. I'm waking up, looking outside, and this is what I wake up to. And it's still raining. I mean, look, everything is under about maybe a good layer of water. Jesus. I don't know if I can see very well in the distance, but I mean, look. Everywhere. Water everywhere. And it's sitting there.
No, it's open. One door.
Alexander said, why don't you go live on Facebook?
I know.
We won't have to post argue that we're legal risk.
Fuck Hurricane Harvey.